Are you tired of same old movie experience? Do you find yourself yearning for something more immersive, something extraordinary? Well, your wait is finally over. Introducing Apple Vision Pro, the next level in cinematic bliss. With its cutting-edge technology, Apple Vision Pro takes movie watching to a whole new dimension. Immerse yourself in a world of lifelike images and breathtaking visuals. Feel the action like never before, as if you are right there in the scene. Apple Vision Pro is not just another virtual reality headset, it's a complete sensory experience. Hear every sound crystal clear with the latest revolutionary sound system. Taste the flavors of every dish in the movie with our simulated test program. Feel the wind blowing through your hair and the warmth of the sun on your skin with the advanced haptic feedback system. But what sets Apple Vision Pro apart from the competition is our exclusive live preview feature. Imagine being able to pause a movie and see in-depth reviews from critics and fellow movie lovers, seamlessly integrated into the viewing experience. Get real-time ratings, recommendations, and personal insights, all at your fingertips. And don't worry about being interrupted by annoying notifications or distractions. Apple Vision Pro's smart algorithms effortlessly filter out any unnecessary interruptions, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the movie. So, why settle for ordinary when you can revolutionize your cinematic experience? Get ready to take your movie nights to a whole new level with Apple Vision Pro. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of movies, be sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content.